I mean, what are we doing today? Oh yeah, this is boredom. And then hack off my muffler. We're gonna try to with this eBay Mobob and see if it sounds any better. This could be difficult, I don't know, we'll see. Well, I've got this thing on here and I've been going for maybe a minute. I can see it's cutting in, but it's gonna take some work. And then there's one spot, I can't quite rotate this far enough. I should put something under this so it doesn't drop directly on me. Look at that. It's almost through. You guys better be quiet. Oh, I think it's all the way through. I just chopped it off. Oh yeah. I would say that took 3 minutes of vigorous strain, roughly. And got it most of the way cut through. There's a little piece connecting it, so it's still kind of hanging there. Now, I'm not sure how to approach this. Let's try this. What do I do here? I mean, that's gotta come off of there. Okay, that was, I would say, harder to get that out of there than it was to cut most of the pipe down there. Ended up taking this screwdriver, just jamming it in and working it until I got it all the way out the other side. And then just wrenching on it until it popped over that lip on the outside. Oh man. Woo! And I guess I didn't cut that as much as I thought because it's still very attached. So I need to get back under there. Oh, come on. That's not tight enough. Oh, damn it. I can't rotate it far enough to get that part. Oh, wait. It's coming. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, yeah. There she blows. Oh. Now, the other thing I was concerned with is how sturdy is this pipe. Yeah, it's fine. It's not gonna hit anything in the meantime while I decide what I'm doing to finish this project. Whew. I read about people having complications with fitting pipes, so I decided that before buying the pipes, I would just cut it off, see what it sounds like. I can grab a clamp and put it back on if I don't like it. And then if I don't mind the way it sounds, then I'll go about picking an elbow and some stuff to bring it to the rear.
Boston wants to do it too. What are you doing? Here. See that strip right there? Yeah, that's that.
Okay, hop out. Real quick, but don't touch anything else. Yeah, that's not bad.